everyone, welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. GMC suffers without power and water on Thursday and Friday. Health Minister blames Power Department. Power Department says couldn't help it. Power restored on Friday evening. Goa government taunts Shah Commission, agrees to take appropriate action, decides to hear mining companies before going ahead with punitive action. Tausif Denaveli's Atangwadi Goyant Naka theatre to go ahead with police protection amidst threat calls. Sri Ram Sene says won't allow theatre to stage. SEZ issue will need compromise formula with promoters. CM says 150 crore invested and will take only concerned into confidence. Issue before Supreme Court. And International Off-Road Challenge of Malaysia comes to Goa. Week-long sports tourism event Force Gurkha Rainforest Challenge will be annual, says organizers Kaugar Motorsport. And now the news in detail. Goa Medical College suffered a lot without power and water on Thursday and Friday. Patients faced a terrible time. Surgeries were postponed, causing inconvenience to the patients. Health Minister Parsekar blamed it on power failure. Electricity engineer says water seeped into electrical panel and it's not their fault. Finally, after pressure from all the sections including media, power was restored by Friday evening.
Patients at GMC suffered a lot without currents and water supply on Thursday and Friday. No water supply as there wasn't power. No current, hence no surgeries. Many scheduled surgeries were postponed. Emergency surgeries got through with the help of genset. Patients also had a tough time climbing the stairs as the lifts were not operating.
Kalchan actually light, but generator lights are still there. Generator light supply चालू असा. Emergency चालू असा. सगळं ऑपरेशन थिएटर आणि जनरेटरची लाईट चलता. इलेक्ट्रिकल पॅनलाचा फॉल्ट आशिल्लो.
Following media reports, Health Minister visited GMC and inspected the scene.
Basic light हो problem असलो. Light नसल्यामुळे उदक ना. Light नसल्यामुळे लिफ्ट ना. Light नसल्यामुळे ऑपरेशन ना. उदक नसल्यामुळे ऑपरेशन ना. हे अशा खूप गोष्टी जातात. 6 जनरेटर्स घातलेले. 500 kV चे. पण सगळे चालू जाता अशें ना. ताचेर पंप चालू जाले, वयर उदक गेले. मागीर सोंपूंक लागले की परत स्टार्ट मारप. ते सगळे फॅन चालू जाले अशें ना. काही फॅन तेचेर घातलेले आसात. काही लायटी घातलेले आसात. पूण ज्यो मोस्ट सिरियस जागा आसल्यो, कॅज्युअलिटी, मागीर एमर्जन्सी थिएटर्स.
Electricity engineer says it's not department's fault.
That was only due to the seepage of the water that breakers failed. Okay. Some 33 breakers failed. Now we are making a temporary arrangement now. There is no electricity, as far as electricity is concerned, from electricity department there is no problem. It is a problem because of this equipment failure.
Finally, power was restored on Friday evening and the GMC resumed its routine operations. Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
Goa government has refused to show any faith in the third report of Shah Commission. Government has agreed to take appropriate action on the illegalities mentioned in the report, but has taunted Justice Shah for not following principle of natural justice while preparing his report. Government has decided to hear mining companies before going ahead with any punitive action. Government's view is clear in the action taken report submitted by Ministry of Mines in the Parliament on third report of Justice Shah Commission.
Ministry of Mines has submitted its Memorandum of Action Taken report on third Shah Commission report on illegal mining in Goa, which was tabled in Parliament during last week. In its Action Taken report, Goa government has mentioned that Shah Commission has not heard the concerned parties and therefore before taking any action against the concerned mining companies, Goa government will hear their side. Shah Commission did not give any chance to mining companies to present their defence. Goa government has categorically stated in the action taken report that the government of Goa will take appropriate action as per the law after following the principles of natural justice of hearing the parties concerned, as the same has not been followed by the Commission. Shah Commission in its third report asked Goa government to recover 2,747 crore rupees from mining companies for illegal exports of ores and recommended CBI inquiry. Goa government is not in agreement with Shah Commission recommendation. Shah has also recommended strengthening of Mines Department. Goa government has agreed and stated that state government has decided to set up 2 new offices to strengthen regulatory functions. Department will deploy additional staff for effective checking, auditing and regulating mining activities in the state. Goa government, while promising streamlined mining activities, has clearly refused to show any conviction in the Shah Committee report. The Supreme Court too had refused to consider the Shah report while carrying out criminal proceedings against the suspects due to number of anomalies in the report. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Devendra Gaokar for Prudent.
Tausif Denavili's Atangwadi Goyat Naka Theatre will go ahead with police protection. Theatre writer and director from Salsette Tausif Sheikh claims that he received a threat call to disrupt his show and even cause physical harm. He says the theatre based on Pramod Mutalik will go ahead under police protection. Sri Ram Sene has threatened that they will not allow the theatre to stage in Margao on Saturday. They have decided to approach the court demanding stay on theatre. They have demanded arrest of Tausif.
लीगली हम कोर्ट में भी दावा कर रहे हैं. ऑलरेडी हमारे एडवोकेट्स हाई कोर्ट और डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट दोनों जगह पे भी लीगली उनका जो काम है वो कर रहे हैं. किसी भी हाल में कल ये नाटक शो नहीं होने देंगे. और जो इसकी नाटक का लेखक है और स्वतः वो डायरेक्टर भी है तौसीफ, उसका तुरंत बंधन हो जाए. ये 3 आग्रह हम सरकार के सामने रख रहे हैं.
Theatre writer and director from Salsette, Tausif Sheikh claims of threat call on Thursday threatening him against going ahead with the release of his latest theatre, Atangwadi Goyan Naka. Theatre show is scheduled on August 9th in Madgaon. He suspects that threat call is from activist of Sanatan Samstha. Sheikh has lodged a complaint with Madgaon police and has sought police protection for the show.
पण काल सकाळी 7 तारीख कालची सकाळी म्हाका सकाळी 8:45 एक मेसेज आयली डेट दे विल डू द काउंटर अटॅक ऑन मी म्हणटच तो अननोन नंबर म्हणून हांवें ताका रिटर्न कॉल केलो. तो म्हणूंक लागलो वी बिलोंग्स टू सनातन संस्था. म्हाका म्हणूंक लागले कोण आमच्या धर्माची आड येता जाल्यार आमी ताका काबार करतले. तो म्हणटा ना, कोण आमचे गुरुजीची आड बरयता, प्रमोद मुतालिकाची आड बरयता ताका आमी काबार करतले. ताज्या उपरांत म्हाका कंटिन्यू फोन येयत आसा, धमक्यो येयत आसा, मेसेजी म्हजे लागीं सेव आसा. हांवें पुलीस स्टेशनार कंप्लेनूय फायल केल्या.
However, trustee of Sanatan Samstha, Virendra Marathe, claims that Sanatan Samstha has no links with such calls. None of their sadhak has any link with the alleged act.
Case is regarding that theatre is framed on Ram Sene's Pramod Mutalik. Those who have called theatrists, they are not our sadhaks. We have cross-checked the phone numbers which are flashed on the news sources. Those phone numbers are not of our sadhaks, nor the names tally with our sadhaks.
Savio Dice Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Devendra Gaokar for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.